Do you want to learn how to make Roblox thumbnails with AI? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with this tool called Pexels. Pexels is an AI tool that allows you to make these type of thumbnails. I have a link in the description so you can go through that and follow along with this tutorial. So go over to pexels.com and sign up for an account. Once you've done that, it is going to take you over to the app.pexels.com. Over here, you need to press on New Chat on the left-hand side. Then on the right, you can type a prompt or you can recreate from an existing thumbnail. Press on prompt and type a prompt here. Now you may be wondering where to get this prompt. You can get it through ChatGPT or Cloud AI. So I'm going to go here in ChatGPT and type in, give me some YouTube ideas around the game Roblox for a channel around Roblox documentaries. Maybe you've got a channel where you make Roblox documentaries. Here, it's going to give you some options. So let's say I like this idea that it generated, the 9th one. I'm going to copy it, paste it here in the Ask Anything section. And then after that, I'm going to type in, give me a detailed thumbnail prompt so I can use it in Pexels. This is what it generated. So I'm going to copy it from here, go over to your Pexels, start up a new chat, paste it, and then press on Enhance Prompt. This is what it generated. Looks fine, but on the top left, you can see the score. This is below 80. We need it to be at 80. So we're going to press here. And these are all the metrics. So I'm going to press on this one, click Fix. And this is what it generated. Looks much better than this one, but still it's below 80. So we need to keep doing it. This is what you will come up with 87 score. Now you can download it to your computer or you can redo or edit something inside the thumbnail if you want to do that. I have a full tutorial on Pexels. You can check it out at the end on the right hand side. Now, just like the one I showed before, this is another thumbnail that I created just by using ChatGPT prompt. This was the prompt, and this is the thumbnail. You can see it's a 54 score, so you can click here and one click fix. This is what it created, looks much better. Now you can just download it from here. This is one final thumbnail that I want to show you. This is about the Roblox game called Blocks Fruits. And this was the thumbnail prompt. And this is what it created. Looks really nice. And you can directly use this thumbnail inside a video where you're talking about dragon fruit and you got that dragon fruit. Once you're ready with the thumbnail, you can just download it from here and upload it to your video. And that's it. That's how to make Roblox thumbnails with Pexels. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find a full Pexels tutorial and other how-to videos on it. So see you there. Bye for now.